So next week I'm having this side gate replaced. Yeah, so I gotta remove this side gate, and then those two posts, I think I can recover those and use those for the side fence I got to replace on the west side of the house. So now I got flooring installed in this room. This is a room that took me forever to level. And I got flooring installed in this room, the west bedroom. Each of these rooms was about $1,000. So it's nice to not have carpet in here. This tile has been sitting in this garage here for 17 years. I originally bought it because I was going to tile the laundry, but I ran out of time back then. So now I'm going to use this tile to tile the master bedroom and the adjacent den. Before I start laying this tile, that piece of door trim, I got to cut that so that tile will fit under it. And you can see over here, this was already done, I think, on that right there. Even though this room had carpet in it. But like a tile will fit under that door trim there. Alright, to cut that door trim, I'm going to use my oscillating Dremel saw. There we go. See if it fits. And yeah, that'll work. Perfect.